Georgia. This is Zita. She is an almost 2-year-old golden retriever that's here for our 2-week board and train program. Hannah's main complaints are that she pulls on the leash really badly. She sometimes will bark and growl as she's passing other people or other dogs while on walks. She gets terrified of certain things and will drag her owner the whole way home. Like delivery trucks, if one passes by her, she will just turn around and drag her owner the entire way home, the rest of the walk. One of their biggest concerns is her greeting manners. She jumps up, she scratches people, she gets her hair all over them. She's just so overly excited when people come into the house that a lot of people have stopped wanting to come over because of her behavior. So we're going to see where her obedience stands today. Zita, come. Zita, come. Come. Zita, come. Zita, come. Good girl. Good sit. Zita, come. Sit. Good girl. Lay down. Zita, lay down. Good girl. You. You. Zita, you. Zita, sit. Good girl. Alrighty, so definitely some of that sit and down. Not too much of recall. She was pulling on the leash really badly. She's just pretty anxious, overstimulated right now. But she is going to get trained on and off leash and distraction proof over the next 2 weeks to check back in to see everything she has learned. Zita, come. Good girl, Zita. Sit. Girl. Down. Zita, come. Zita, good girl.